Here is a Commodore 64 board, revision number 250407, and in this run I'm running a factory Commodore PLA. It's been heat sinked, and I will run this on the oscilloscope now. Now the settings are the same as before. I've got the division set at 2 volts per division, sweep times 50 nanoseconds, and I've got the trigger this time set at 3.09 volts, and the ground line here is 0. I'll turn the Commodore on now, and the computer's on now, and the waveform is reading about 4 volts by the eye. Now I'll just increase this trigger level slightly and we'll see if we can get the machine to trigger. I'm at 3.09 volts. I'll take it up to the next increment, which is 3.13. So still no activity on the trigger. I'll take it up to the next level, which is 3.16, 3.19, 3.25, 3.0, and the oscilloscope's triggered at 3.0 at 3.38. I'll drop this a little bit so if I can get the de-trigger. 3.31, and the trigger is fluctuating. I'll drop it a bit more. 3.28, and it's still triggering. Just 3.22. It seems not to trigger at that level of 3.22 volts. I'll just bring that up to the next setting, which is 3.25, 3.28, and we're getting triggering. And this is a factory Commodore PLA.